My advice to the incoming freshmen is that you take everything day by day, step by step, and it will get better. Although it seems like it's a big building, it's not as big as you think, and that you will succeed if you do what you need to do.
Hi, I'm here with Mr. Blauk and Ms. Trainer. So guys, what does the Mustang Way mean to you?
I can go first again. Well, I think a lot about working together with the people who are around you, and being a member of a good team, displaying lots of teamwork and collaboration, and just trying to solve problems collaboratively, and to just work together to do so, and to value other people's inputs and opinions, and just try to get things done and persevere through. So I'd say that's one big part for me.
Yeah, and I think, recognizing that we're all part of one Mustang family and that we all treat each other with respect and try to work through issues respectfully with each other in all our daily interactions. I think that's a big part of the Mustang Way.
Do you have any advice for incoming freshmen?
Yes, I do. Definitely take advantage of the NHS's tutoring in the library every day, Monday through Thursday after school.
Well, personally for me, I think the Mustang Way says a lot more about personal responsibility than anything else. So it's not just the way you behave at school, it's not just your attitudes toward grades and classes. It's kind of a way of infusing integrity into your life and everything that you do, and how that plays into your role at the school as well as your role outside of the school.
Well, my advice to the incoming freshmen would be get involved. Jump in. There are so many after-school activities. Just in the art department, we've got the art club, where we do community service and just fun art, and the ceramics club, which is new this year.
Do you have any advice for the incoming freshmen?
I think the biggest thing is we have a lot of options here, and it's all about finding the club, the activity, the thing that draws to you. Try lots of different things and find what you're passionate about.
Do you have any advice for the incoming freshmen?
I do. I would say come in with a positive attitude. We have a ton of opportunities here at MHS. We have a ton of clubs. There's something for everybody. Come in expecting to have a great learning experience and be very prepared when you leave for the world.
What's your advice to the incoming freshmen?
Advice for incoming freshmen. Don't be afraid to ask questions. It's okay to get lost. Join as many clubs as you can, and find me if you need any help anytime.
The incoming freshmen, always ask for help. Don't be afraid of the upperclassmen. They can help you out. And always ask your teachers for advice if you ever need anything. Hi, I'm here with Ms. Carnabucci. What advice do you have for the incoming freshmen?
I would definitely say that incoming freshmen should get involved in anything they can, especially a lot of the clubs that we have, not just the sports. There's lots of clubs for all types of students, and besides just the classes you have to take, the clubs that we have are pretty fun and exciting, and that's what I would recommend.
Hi, I'm here with Michael Brandley from the Drama Club, and what's your advice for the incoming freshmen?
So the best piece of advice I can give to any incoming freshman want to try a drama club is to really just go out there and be yourself, because this is the best environment to do that. Everyone's super friendly. You make some of the best friendships in high school here, and just really be yourself, because that's what drama club's all about.
Hi, I'm here with Senora Diaz. What advice do you have for incoming freshmen?
Okay, what I would like to see my freshmen doing is being very open-minded, ready to work, ready to have fun, and don't be scared of new challenges.
Thank you.
Gracias.
And what advice do you have for incoming freshmen? My advice to incoming freshmen would be to get involved a lot with sports and clubs, because it's much easier to make friends and get involved that way, and it's a lot of fun. What's your advice to the incoming freshmen?
I would just say to get your work done and get yourself out there as much as possible. I know it's intimidating because you're an incoming freshman, but I just think you should say hi to everybody, try to make as many friends as you can, and just join as many clubs as you possibly can, because the more you're involved with school, the more fun it'll be.
Hi, I'm here with Kylie, Shauna, and Monica of the Medford High swim team. Advice for the incoming freshmen.
I say freshman year is the place where you gotta like try everything you want to try, because then after that you branch into your little bubble, and once it's senior year, you'll find your little second family within the high school.
Just make sure you stay on the right side of the hallway.
I think that you should get your habits of doing your work and homework right away, because if not, it just won't happen the rest of high school. Hi, I'm here with Brian from the hockey team. What's your advice to the incoming freshmen?
You guys need to do your schoolwork, getting involved with activities, sports.
Hi, I'm here with Joanne and Amy. And Joanne, what is the Mustang way to you?
Well, it's being kind to others and treating people the way you want to be treated.
Awesome, good to hear. And Amy, what advice do you have for incoming freshmen?
Definitely play sports and get involved with extracurricular activities.
Awesome.
Should we say ELE? Everybody loves it.
Have any advice for incoming freshmen?
You know, just get out there, like join a sport, join a club, do something, get involved with like anything around school, like keep yourself involved.
No, I got one.
Just be yourself.
Freshman year is the most important year. Remember that. I would say go out there and join sports. I know, speaking personally, I'm on the hockey and softball and cross country teams here, and every single sport is it just gets you involved in the school, and it's a great environment to make friends and to build bonds with people. And I would just say join sports, they're awesome. So anything else? Yeah, let's go, girls hockey. Woo!
Hi, I'm here with Ketley. What does the Mustang Way mean to you?
Well, the Mustang Way means like be yourself, come to school, be happy, be ready to learn and everything, and just have a good time.
What is the Mustang Way to me? Wow. Having a heart of a Mustang, being at practice every day, giving 110% effort every single day, and come game time.
Do you have any advice for incoming freshmen?
Oh, I do actually. I think the sports program here at Medford High School, it would be a great addition to any young girl or boy to join. We have so many different activities and sports that they can play, and if they get on one of those teams, it helps them with their education too. So the opportunities are there. The kids just have to take it. Put down your cell phones and play sports.
Mustang Way to me is the only way. It's about being a Mustang, helping out your teammates, helping out your fellow students, being there when it counts.
Awesome, great. And what advice do you have for incoming freshmen?
Advice for incoming freshmen, definitely get involved. Don't be afraid to try something new, and come out for the indoor and outdoor track and field team.
Awesome, thank you so much.
All right.
Well, the Mustang Way is pretty much like being a friend to your peers and helping them when they need help. So, yeah.
Cool. I think it's like being a team, signing up for these sports and clubs.
What advice would you give to our 8th graders here who will soon be incoming freshmen?
Just play for your town, play for your city. Come to Medford High, it's a great place. A lot of opportunity, a lot of diversity, and you do a lot of good things here. You'd be very surprised.
And what advice do you have for incoming freshmen?
My advice to incoming freshmen would be to get involved a lot with sports and clubs, because it's much easier to make friends and get involved that way, and it's a lot of fun.